welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Autumn 2019 Beauty Heroes box from Lice Beauty. This box contains 12 products. It retails for £26, but it has over £135 worth of products inside. We are going to be getting autumn ready with this box. Lice Beauty has our back. I will leave it linked down below if you do want to check it out. But if you are new here, then this week is going to be Lice Beauty week. We've got the advent calendar coming tomorrow. We've also got the Sainsbury edit coming on Sunday as well. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we are all friends here. I really hope to see you in future videos, and Vlogtober, it's coming, baby. Just you wait. Let's get into the box. So when you open the box, it looks like this. It comes with a little leaflet inside with all the different products that are in here, as well as some discount codes for some of the brands. First up is from the brand OK. This is their 3-step bamboo charcoal sheet mask. It comes with a cleansing wash, a bamboo charcoal fibre mask, and a serum as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like me to do a testing video on this, do like a face mask Friday. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a little comment down below because I'll be more than happy to do that. Same applies for the next product, which is also a sheet mask. This is from the brand Image Skincare. It's meant to be the secret to smooth, luminous and useful skin. And it's a botanical infused hydrogel sheet mask. I've never tried anything from this brand before, I don't think. So it says it's for all skin types. Next product is from the brand Patchology, and these are some eye gel kind of little masks to rejuvenate tired eyes in the morning. It's like little patches to put on your eyes, just underneath your eyes for puffiness. It's meant to refresh dry skin and brighten up the complexion as well, to make it look like you had a full 8 hours sleep when you haven't. And let's be serious, this is what I need. So yeah, this has a calming tea infused aromatherapy eye gel. Next up comes in this cute little bag. This is the Almost Everything cream. And when I first got this, I was like, I don't understand what it is. So let's open it up. This is what it looks like. But it says it's a primer, it's a shine booster, it's a frizz fighter, it's a texturizer, a tamer, a curl definer, a conditioner, a mask. So it's meant to be like a one-size-fits-all solution. So that you don't have to buy loads and loads of different products. So it's basically help you to like manage your hair better. So it says that you can put it on wet hair, you can put it on dry hair, short hair, curly hair, you can use it as a mask. So I'm excited to see what that one's like. You know what I'm like at the moment with my hair. I'm trying to get it to a better condition. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out, and I like that it comes in that little tub. I like that. Next up, we have a product from Sanctuary Spa. This is their Ultra Rich Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. So apparently it's going to be your new shower BFF, it says on the little leaflet. It's an intensive luxe lotion which is meant to lock in 5 times more moisture for an effective way to repair and relieve dry and thirsty skin. So by the sounds of it, obviously you put it on when your skin's wet. Yeah, it says while still wet, apply like any moisturiser and do not rinse. Simply towel dry as normal. So caution, may make shower floor slippery. Take care during use and remove any remaining residue thoroughly. That's something that I need to bear in mind, because I put a hair mask on the other day and my mum I like rinsed it out over the side of the bath. I didn't get in the bath to rinse it out, and my mum got in the bath, like in the shower afterwards, and bless her, she nearly hit the floor. It was so slippery. So yeah, that's something to bear in mind. Another product for your skin. This is from the brand Naked Skin. This is their Gradual Glow Daily Tan Moisturiser. So it just says to apply this every day on your face and your body, and it's formulated with a hint of a tan for a gorgeous golden glow. So I think I'll probably try this, but I probably won't. I'll probably try it on my face because it's not going to be enough to do my full body to see what it's going to be like. But it says, yeah, it's a gorgeous daily moisturiser with just a hint of a tan. And it develops over 4 to 8 hours and can be deepened daily. It's got zero smell, zero transfer, and it's meant to hydrate the skin for the ultimate natural glow. So yeah, I'm excited to see what that's like. I've never tried Naked Skin tan before as well. Next up is a hand cream. This is from a brand I've never heard of before. It's called Organi. It's meant to be a gentle care hand cream for sensitive skin. I'm definitely going to give this to the nurse at work called Sandy, because I've been promising her hand cream, and then when I brought it into work, everyone kind of took what they wanted and there was no hand cream left. So this one will be going to Sandy. She doesn't watch my videos. I don't even know if she knows that I do YouTube. I don't know. But this one will be going to Sandy because I promised her a hand cream, so I'm gonna deliver, and I'm gonna stick to my word, and she's gonna get a hand cream. Next up is from the brand Time Bomb. I've got one of their oils and stuff, and I think I've got another one of their products, but I've not like really went into their brand. I don't have like a lot from their brand, but this is the Overexposed Sun Damage Rescue. So by the sound of it, it's like meant to address the impact of UV exposure with like the heavy duty antioxidants and emollients. It's meant to repair and restore like overexposed skin. And I know it might sound daft, but I think this would apply to my skin because I don't wear SPF daily. I've only just started wearing SPF daily, which is really, really bad. I mean, obviously good now, but it was bad before. So yeah, that's something that I wanna start trying. And I don't know if this might help my mum's. She's got like a dark, I don't know what the correct wording is, but she's got like a dark mark on her head. So I don't know if that might help her with that. I'm not sure. Next up, which is super, super cute, is a Tangle teaser, and this one has pineapples and little palm leaves on it. And if you watch my like Instagram stories or anything like that, you know that my bed has palm trees on it, and yeah, I just absolutely love that. And we actually have a pineapple room at work as well, which is like decorated with different pineapple stuff, so this just fits in really nicely. And I like the fact that it comes with like the lid as well, so you can pop it into your handbag. It's not going to get hair everywhere because it's all compact. So yeah, that's the Tangle teaser on the go detangling hairbrush for smooth and shiny hair. Next up is a little luxury one from the brand Nux or Nukes. I don't know. You know I can't pronounce things. This is their iconic dry oil, and it's meant to transform hair and skin from one season to the next. Obviously, this is going to be perfect as this, like obviously sun's going in, it's getting drier, the sky, no, the air is drier. Oh my god. It's meant to smell amazing as well. Let's have a little sniffy sniff. It's just a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. Oh, it does smell really nice actually. Second from last, we have the Beauty Kitchen handbag beauty oil balm, and basically I've been using this. Oh, this one's got such a cuter packaging though. I've been using that. I've literally just used one up, but it isn't this green one. So this is the Hydrate and Nourish one. I've been using like the original one. So it's basically like a beauty balm, but what I was using it for just looks like this. What I was using it for was to take my makeup off, because obviously that's what you can use it as, like a cleansing balm. And I've literally just used a tub this size up in the past couple of days, but you can use it as a nourishing balm or as a cleanser or a mask. So yeah, it's actually really, really good. But I think I said in my video, my weekly VOD, that I don't know if I'd repurchase it, just because I wanted to try other oils. But obviously now I've got this one to try as well, and this one's Hydrate and Nourish, which is going to be perfect for the dry month. Last but not least is a little handmade bath melt. It's got cocoa and shea butter in to help soften, and I keep saying that shea butter, and then Lauren was howling at me saying it's shea butter. So yeah, shea butter. And it looks so cute. It's like a little cupcake. Let me just take it out. Look how cute that is. So obviously you'll take the little wrapper off, and then it's like a little bath melt. I thought that was adorable. I'll probably give that to Minnie because I don't really have baths. I'm more of a shower gal. So yeah, Minnie like that. But it's vegan as well. It's from the brand Miss Patisserie. So yeah, I think it's, oh yeah, it's lavender. So it's going to be perfect for getting you all nice and relaxed and ready for bed. So that is what is inside the Latest and Beauty Autumn 2019 edit. If you are new here, like I said, don't forget to hit subscribe. Vlogtober is coming, starting on the 1st of October. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos. No, I'm going to be uploading 1 video every 2 days. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry for the blabble nonsense in this video. I love you so much. Bye-bye.